And we're just about to head out in 5 minutes for a wonderful river cruise with the captain, who is
Captain Hal, a local Floridian. I'll throw you the ring, I'll haul you back to the boat as fast as I can before the alligator notices that he is having his picture taken by you. Every tour up and down this river is a little different, depending on the time of day, the tides, the sun shining me good. On the way back from Trappers, I kind of like the tide we're having because it is starting to come out.
and we are meandering down the Lockahatchee River.
It's so green back here right now, folks. I did tell you I'm a Florida.
In Dickenson State Park,
just by looking at the
Central Florida.
Back here. They most of them weigh well over 40 pounds. This is an area I'd like to talk about a little bit. Very cool. Another little gator on my left. Thank you for spotting him up on the left on that log. They love, I told you, on the way back, they want to see something, they're sunning themselves. They think he won't hurt you. Do you have any chicken?
No, not on me.
He won't hurt you. Do you have any chicken?
No, not on me.
Anybody been eating candy bars lately? That's a good spot in there because I probably would have missed him. But we do have actually some very large ones right in this area. And hopefully on the return that we can see some of the bigger ones. Okay, let's head up to Trappers though. We gotta get you up there. Oh, he's coming after the boat. An animal such as a deer, a turkey, a bobcat, a skunk, raccoons, possums, giraffes.
Can't reach it. I won't get it in good sunlight.
Way up there. Oh. I give that one about a 2. Man, he wasn't very graceful. Well, let's get him. Let's bring him home. Put your initials on him. And fly these beautiful birds out. Very cool. Another little gator on my left. Thank you for spotting him up on the left on that log. They love, I told you, on the way back, they want to see something, they're sunning themselves. They think that there's a Juno here, so they're having a good time, right? How they can climb up that high, up these logs that they're so stubby feet, and they got a high dome shell. It's amazing they can even get up there, in my opinion.
Somebody put on me.
Welcome to Trappers Zoo and Jungle Gardens. I hope you enjoyed your time here today.
Your name is?
My name is Ranger Scott.
I know we're going to have a great time. I almost feel it's been over
You're going to
already.
have a fantastic time. I'm going to put you to work with some chainsaws and some other things the Trapper would never dream of having here.
By the river, by Trappers there, up the bank, that was pretty nice. I was walking. That's probably a 5 or 6 footer. Yeah. We do have a very big one that was in here last week. I see something else under it too.
There's one. It's literally
I see
heading
one,
down
two.
there.
I think there's 3 swimming right up in here.
There.